Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, guys.
Today's week, we are actually going to be doing the Grinch look. We're going to try and make it a little more drag-like. But yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how we got this look. Continue watching.
Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share away. It is the holiday season, so share the love.
The Liliana and Maria Show. Meow! So we went ahead and did our eyebrows, as you can see.
So this year, we have a different brand of green face paint. So hopefully, this won't burn our face.
Yeah, if you remember our Christmas tree look last year, we started out the video with this face paint I got from Value Village, I believe. And it burned. Like, I don't know what was in it. We couldn't even keep it on for more than 2 minutes. Like, we had to wash our faces.
And it was going in our pores, and it was nasty.
A little bit of stainage. It was terrible. Anyway, so we got this stuff. What would you say it was called? What did you say?
Snazaroo.
It looks like the clown white. And I think you're going to apply it with a sponge. I feel like I need to do what that girl did. Remember the one that yelled at us? I don't know. So basically we're doing the Grinch look, obviously, but we're going to put it all over. It seems kind of dark. Looking at that makeup, there's like... I guess I can use highlighter to bring it out.
I'll just do it.
Oh, you're just digging in? Okay.
So I took a wet sponge, and let's see how this goes.
Oh.
She's bright, though.
Okay, I'm going to pat it on like you would if it was like foundation.
Patting is not doing anything. You try it with your freshly dipped one.
The first one didn't even...
Oh, yeah. Yeah, squirrel.
I kind of like what color it kind of is right now. It's not so...
Oh, you like the muted green?
Yeah, because it's not highlighter green like your face right now. You need more water. My fingers are going to turn green.
I just realized we have to work tonight. My hairline's going to be green. Story of our life.
I had a bank appointment last year.
Oh, yeah. I would say maybe next, like, holiday season we do something with, like, red face, but then I feel like that's just, like, the devil.
Yeah, maybe you could have done that Halloween.
Oh.
You look like Elphaba.
Because I've never seen Wicked. Yes, everyone yell at me. It's fine. But I had to learn all the music. Go figure.
I love Wicked. I told her next time Wicked comes here, we're going to go see it. Because I love it. I watched the special, and I cried.
Okay, so, update. I have 2 different color sides of my face.
Oh, I can see.
What happened?
It's coming out more green on my brows. No!
Maria. Maria. No. This is what I'm showing you. It's not coming off.
It's fine. Do we have gloves?
No, I'm talking about her face later.
Oh, shit.
It's not wiping off with makeup wipes. Is this face paint? Face paint. Is there a caution?
Oh my god. And we have work.
We have work in like a couple of hours. Oh.
It's fine.
Is it? Like, I flew on my thick ass green, and we never have luck with this. I need to find that gosh eyeshadow. This is ridiculous.
Okay, maybe we should stop with this layer now and then find green eyeshadow.
Well, there. You've seen it here for the second time on the Liliana and Maria show. We stained our faces. They're like, why are you a highlighter? Bitch, go to my channel, okay?
I think we should stop with this green. and look for green eyeshadow now.
All right, I'll be right back.
Pause. Okay, so we found some green eyeshadow to now try to work with because we scared.
I tried to wash my hands 2 times and it still was stained a little, so.
I'm just taking a small stippling brush now and dipping in eyeshadow. Why do we do this?
I don't know.
Every year.
Come up with ideas.
I guess it's kind of adding some sort of texture.
I have no idea what this is doing.
Okay, so are you ready to move on to details?
I guess. I can make my natural eyebrow work, I think. We'll see. I did it wrong.
I don't look angry though, like it's supposed to look angrier. Oh, now she fighting.
Okay. Oh, I gotta do the cross lines here.
Like this. Maybe if you scrunch your face, you'll see it. Look, you're actually doing
That's what I've been doing since day 1.
this is day 1.
I mean,
Why am I
since we-
gripping this so much? Just notice
You're so
I've been
nervous.
holding
Like, I
this.
can't even
Eyeliner.
Get it right. Look at this.
Okay.
Oh dang! I messed up. No, I messed up. I just realized how she did her eyebrows. That's not her crease. That's her eyebrow.
I thought you were just trying to be fancy.
No. Dang. So I added some highlights using a light green.
Is it showing? Yeah, showing.
What are you doing next?
I'm gonna do the smile lines.
Oh, I'm gonna do under the eyes. It somewhat got thick in some areas because my brush slipped a little.
It's fine.
It's all part of the process, okay? Y'all just calm down. Everyone calm down.
What does highlighting the frown lines do?
3-dimensional? I don't know.
I don't want to highlight frown lines.
I'm not Bob Ross.
You wish, though.
I do. Okay, everyone hang on. I'm just prepping my lashes because I know that hers aren't that big. Well, kinda. If you've seen the movie, you know that it's he's better than a drag queen, let's just say.
Oh, beautiful lashes.
Just about to work my eyebrows, my eyelashes, and Maria points out that there's stripes on her neck. I didn't go that far down with the paint because I didn't want to stain my neck too.
Well,
So
it's mostly eyeshadow, I think, I got. Hopefully. I don't know. We'll find out when we're taking it off.
down the forest, down the forest, well, go. Christmas. Christmas here.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry. Not really.
I don't think she actually put on fake lashes, but we's a drag channel.
Oh. Okay. I see what she did. 2 lashes.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put our wigs on and we'll be right back. This is our final look. Comment below
Grinch.
and tell us how we did.
Actually, comment on what you think of these.
Yeah.
Maria made them. Oh, Max.
You know what? We don't care what the Grinch says.
Have a happy holiday from us, from Liliana and Maria Show.
And remember, if you can't laugh at yourself,
How the hell do you live?